Talk about how 5G and lean production links together, how 5G can take them traditional ways of working, continue with that, but bring in more data, bring in more flexibility in the ways of working and how you could utilize that in new ways. If we look at previous generations of cellular net technologies, that 5G is the first technology that is made for machines. 4G, 3G was built for people. Basically, they could do one thing about smartphones. With 5G, we have lots of different flavors. You can do everything from simple sensors, bandwidth requiring vision systems, low latency remote control, connected workers, mobility, and all of those things with the same infrastructure. So a much higher degree of flexibility than we've seen in previous generations.